Hey guys, so today we're going to be dropping the fuel tank out so we can clean underneath the car, prepare the car for the subframe reinforcements to be welded in. Alright, so come inside the car. I'm going to start by removing the interior. It's pretty dirty. I haven't really touched the car since we picked it up and put it on jack stands. Now, seats are out, we just need to take these covers off the fuel pump. And on this side we have the carpet off. On this side we have the sender on the other side of the tank. We'll need to pull this cover off as well, and we need to disconnect all the hoses underneath so we can drop the fuel tank without hanging on the hoses. So we've disconnected all the plugs and hoses from the top of the fuel pumps and the sender. Now we come underneath the car and we're going to take the weight off the fuel tank, undo the straps and lower it down just a little bit. That's what we do.
Hotel Lauren, she don't wanna see me. Take me in the state and then she break my heart. Hotel Lauren, she don't wanna see me. Take me in the state and then she break my heart. Hotel Lauren, she still got me pouring. Drink inside my cup because the pain don't ease. So don't tell Lauren. Hotel Lauren, she might turn around and put the blame on me. Way back when I was a trapper, I went to the hills with you. We laughed her and we smoked gas her. I would've killed for you. But she's so gone, she don't call my iPhone. She ain't got a second to give me. And I don't know what I did that was so wrong that you won't even forgive me for or not. I don't understand. You went from sneaking into my hotel room to telling me you can't. You used to drop it down on me.
We've had a bit of a head start since last time we videoed. We've pulled the bonnet off and we've removed the LCAs from the car because we used them for roadworthy on this car. So today we're just gonna pull the engine because we've sold the motor. We're gonna pull it out, clean up the engine bay, and then we'll be preparing the car for subframe reinforcements, and then pretty much onto paint prep really. Waiting for my lock kit to arrive for this car. I'll put that in, test fit the wheels and the over fenders, and then yeah, straight into prepping for paint. Let's get to it.
So good, now you don't wanna be friends. You used to drop it down for me, down on me. Now you don't wanna be friends. And I don't understand why. Hotel Lauren, she don't wanna see me. Take me in the state and then she break my heart. Hotel Lauren, she don't wanna see me. Take me in the state and then she break my heart. Hotel Lauren, she still got me pouring. Drink inside my cup because the pain don't ease. So don't tell.
Not sure what happened with the time lapse on that one. It seemed to stop after 30 seconds, but as you can see, we've got the radiator out. We've disconnected most of the stuff in the engine bay. Next is the aircon. We'll get that professionally degassed. We can remove that. On that, we're making good progress and hopefully we get it done tonight. So we didn't really have time to video because we had to get this done, but the gearbox is off and out of the car. Just got to get the engine mounts undone either side, then hook up the engine crane and we can pull the motor out. Should probably only have another 20 minutes to go.
Hotel Lauren, she might turn around and put the blame on me. Hotel Lauren, don't tell Lauren, she don't wanna know cause my love's boring, my love's boring. I've been calling her phone but she she ignore it. All of my calls, yeah, she ignore it. She ignore it. All of my calls are. All of my calls are. All of my calls are. Hotel Lauren, she don't wanna see me. Take me in the state and then she break my heart. Hotel Lauren, she don't wanna see me. Take me in the state and then she break my heart. Hotel Lauren, she still got me pouring. Drink inside my cup because the pain don't ease. So don't tell.
So, motor's out of the car. Engine bay of this thing is absolutely filthy. Not quite sure. I'm guessing the old owner, one of the previous owners, lived on a dirt road because there's just crazy amounts of dust and the amount of oil and grime and grease that's just left in the engine bay, and particularly around the gearbox and that. It's been terrible. But motor's out. Wasn't too bad to get out. A lot easier to get the 4 cylinders out than it is the 6s. Loaded it up for delivery. Now we're just waiting on the lock kit to come so I can get that put on. Then I'll order some wheels, fit up some wheels. Might test these BBS RKs at some stage just to get roughly an idea of what we're running. I think we'll be running a 18 by 9.5 plus 2 in the front, and 18 by 10.5 -3 or 0 in the rear, just to fill the over fenders, and that's with 0 camber in the rear as well, so should be a good setup. So, thanks for watching. In the next video we should be getting stuck into some welding of the reinforcements, cleaning. We're going to completely wash the rear end of the car, all underneath the car, engine bay. We're going to try to clean it all out as much as possible. Start, cutting little bits and pieces off, removing the stuff that we don't need. So that'll probably be all in the next video. We're welding the reinforcements, as I said, and we'll go from there. We're waiting on parts, so can only do so much, and yeah, see you guys then.
Don't tell Lauren, hotel Lauren, she might turn around and put the blame on me.